Evelyn Adhiambo, Jared Peter Odoyo, Christine Akinyi, Joram Opala, Ochanda Patroba, Mysoft Limited, Touchdog Printers, Kajulu Business Limited, Victoria's Investment Limited, Deltrack ICT Services Limited, Soifcon Engineering Limited, Joyfast Softwares Limited. Commit an economic crime contrary to Section 47A3, as said in Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act Number 3 of 2003. Particulars are, between 29 October 2014 and 18 October 2016, within Migori County in the Republic of Kenya, you conspired to commit an economic crime, to wit, unlawful acquisition of public funds in the sum of Kenya shillings 73,474,376 from Migori County government. Zachary Okoth Obado, true or false?
Very, very false.
Dan Achola, true or false?
False.
Scarlett, true or false?
False.
Jerry Zachary, true or false?
False.
Evelyn Adhiambo, true or false?
False.
Jared Peter Odoyo, true or false? Joram Opala, true or false?
False.
Ochanda Patroba, true or false?
False.
Mysoft Limited, true or false?
False.
Touchdog Printers, true or false?
False.
Kajulu Business Limited, true or false? Victoria's Investment Limited, true or false? Accused number 15. Victoria Limited.
11.
True or false?
False.
Soifcon Engineering Limited, true or false?
False.
Dolphus Softwares Limited, true or false?
False.
Count 2. Conflict of count 2 is for Zakaria Okoth Obado. Conflict of interest contrary to Section 42(3), as read in Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act 2003. Particulars are, on 24th August 2016, at Migori County in the Republic of Kenya, being the governor of Migori County, willingly acquired an indirect private interest where your son Dan Achola Okoth received Kenya shillings 10,874,938.55 from Deltrack government and the said Deltrack ICT Services Limited. Zakaria Okoth Obado, true or false? Your son Dan Achola Okoth received Kenya shillings 10,874,938.55 from Deltrack ICT Services Limited in respect to an agreement between the Migori County government and the said Deltrack ICT Services Limited. Zakaria Okoth Obado, true or false?
False.
Count 3. Zakaria Okoth Obado. Conflict of interest, contrary to Section 42(3), as said in Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act 2003. Particulars are, between 20th March 2015 and 26th January 2016, at Migori County in the Republic of Kenya, being the governor of Migori County, willingly acquired an indirect private interest where your daughter Scarlett Susan Okoth received Kenya shillings 1,950,132.80 from Jared Peter Odoyo Olwach Kwaga in respect of agreements between the Migori County government and companies associated with the said Jared Peter Odoyo Olwach Kwaga. Zakaria Okoth Obado, true or false?
False.
Count 4. Zakaria Okoth Obado. Conflict of interest, contrary to Section 42(3), as said in Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act 2003. Particulars are between 23rd December 2014 and 22nd September 2016 at Migori County in the Republic of Kenya, being the governor of Migori County, willingly acquired an indirect private interest where your daughter Scarlett Susan Okoth received Kenya shillings 5,901,486.25 from Mysoft Limited in respect of agreements between the Migori County Government and Mysoft Limited. Alinas Services, Kajulu Business Limited and Pesulas Supplies. Zakaria Okoth Obado, true or false?
For the next count, it's knowingly, not willingly. When she's reading the count, let her use the correct, what is indicated in the chart sheet is knowingly, not willingly.
Count 4. Interest, contrary to Section 42(3), as said in Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act 2003. Zakaria Okoth Obado. Particulars are on 8th June 2016 at Migori County in the Republic of Kenya, being the governor of Migori County, knowingly acquired an indirect private interest where your son, Dan Achola Okoth, received Kenya shillings 1,806,700 from Mysoft Limited in respect of agreements between the Migori County Government and the said Mysoft Limited. Zakaria Okoth Obado, true or false? Count 6, Zakaria Okoth Obado. Conflict of interest, contrary to Section 42(3), as said with Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act 2003. Particulars are on 26 September 2016 at Migori County in the Republic of Kenya, being the governor of Migori County, knowingly acquired an indirect private interest where your son, Jerry Zachary Okoth, received Kenya shillings 2,178,981 from Mysoft Limited in respect of an agreement between the Migori County Government and the said Okoth Obado. True or false?
False.
Count 7, Zakaria Okoth Obado. Particulars between the Republic of Kenya, being the governor of Migori County, knowingly acquired an indirect private interest where your son, Dan Achola Okoth, received Kenya shillings 1,400,380.80 from Touchdog Printers Limited in respect to an agreement between the Migori County Government and the said Touchdog Printers Limited.
Your Honor, it is false.
Count 8, Zakaria Okoth Obado. Conflict of interest contrary to Section 42(3). Particulars are on 18th October 2016 at Migori County in the Republic of Kenya, being the governor of Migori County, knowingly acquired an indirect private interest where your son, Jerry Zachary Okoth, received Kenya shillings 1,120,000 from Touchdog Printers Limited in respect of an agreement between the Migori County Government and the said Touchdog Printers Limited. Zakaria Okoth Obado, true or false?
False, Your Honor.
Count 9. Conflict of interest. Count 9. Ochanda Patroba Otieno. Trading as Joya Business. Conflict of interest. Contrary to Section 42(3), as said in Section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act 2003. Particulars are between 5th October 2015 and Act 2003. Particulars are between 5th October 2015 and 7th November 2016 at Migori County in the Republic of Kenya, being a pharmaceutical technologist employed by the Migori County Government, held a direct private interest in the agreement between the Migori County Government and Joyous Business, pursuant to which interest a sum of Kenya shillings 16,832,155 was paid to the said Joyous Business by the Migori County Government, a business entity in which you are a proprietor. Ochanda Patroba, true or false?
False.
Accused number 9, Ochanda Patroba Otieno and Swifcon Engineering Limited. Conflict of interest, 17.